welcome to Tray Time. Today we're going to be opening a mystery lanky box toy. So let's get started. Whoa, this looks cool here. Okay, now it's time to open the inside. Open it with my scissors. Now, first thing I'm gonna have to do is cut this open. Let's see. Cut that open. Now, I got the black one off. Now, tape off. Now, we could open it. Oh, no, I forgot that there was more tape. If you guys think I should do all my fours, make them subscribe, please. What? And just, should I use all my fours? Or, because if you want me to, wait and subscribe. Whoa, this is the first thing. This is the first thing. It's a hat. That's the first thing. Ooh. Now, what is in here? There's something else. It's here. A box. What is this? Oh, it's a pop. Wacky. It's Wacky. Wacky.
Show the camera.
Wacky, everybody. And this is one mask. Now, what is in here? Oh, when it stinks. Oh, hey, what goes in that middle? Oh, this goes in now.
See what's in there.
What is this? The sticker. Foxy!
Whoa.
What's this? Lanky box. This says Lanky box. If you know what Lanky box is, please like and subscribe. There. Oh, what's this? Whoa.
What are they?
There's Milky. Milky.
Can you open them from that package?
I'm sorry, everybody. That's just my dog. I don't know why my dog barks like that. So. Like and subscribe if you like dogs.
What is it? Hold it up.
Milky.
Move your fingers.
It's Milky, everybody.
Oh, wow.
That's
Is that a squishy?
No, it's a
It's just a
mini.
hard plastic?
It's a mini action figure.
Oh.
Like and subscribe if you like dogs and if you like cats. My mom is allergic to cats, so how do I help that? Open up! This won't open up. Can you help me, Dad?
Trey, how did you pay for your new lanky box?
With my lemonade.
Shout out to all your lemonade customers.
Shout out to all my lemonade customers.
Who's that?
Ghosty, everybody, ghosty. Ghosty,
Hold it still.
everybody, ghosty.
Okay.
Ghosty. Where'd I put my last one? The last one is what? Everybody, where's my scissors? My handy scissors. That rubber I'm good. Let's do it. Sorry.
Do you need help?
It's cool. Help! Sorry, everybody. Help! Need help? No, thank you, either. I don't need help. Okay? Rocky! Do-do-do-do-do.
Hold it still. Very cool. What else is in your mystery ghost?
Puppet. Either. No, you can play with that. Okay. Sorry, my baby.
Oh, where you?
Okay. What was I opening?
The one right in front of you. I think you can rip it open. What do you think it is?
I think it's Rocky. Milky.
Show the camera.
Milky.
Purple milky.
I think it's where? That's what I was hearing. Shaking.
Okay, open the next one.
What's the...
Why don't you put the garbage in the bucket?
That's my hat. It's a hat. This one's a hat too. There you go. Okay, next. What are my squishies? Said that it came with squishies. Remember? Shout out to Lanky Box. Shout out to Lanky Box. I think it's robot. I think it's low body. It's low body. It's Robody action figure.
Show the camera.
Robody.
Hold it still. Okay, next one.
Beep boop bop beep 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 boop bop beep beep beep. Today's sponsor of the video is made by Lanky Box. Shout out to Lanky Box. Lanky Box, if you're watching this video, we like your videos. Yo, what's this? Is it Foxy? Hey. Ghosty!
What is it, a squishy ball?
Squishy, ghosty.
Okay, why don't you lay everything out on the table so we can see? Trey.
Ghosty smells good.
Good. Lay out all your mystery toys so we can see what they are.
No ghosty.
Lay out all your toys.
Ghosty. Robody. Milky.
That everything? Where's your sticker? Say this is everything that came in the Ghosty mystery box.
This is no. This is everything that came in the Ghosty mystery.
And what does the ghost box itself do? Remember what it was doing?
It what?
Glows in the dark.
It glows in the dark, and it's also a costume.
Very cool. All right.
And like and subscribe, please, if you want to see my stuff. Wait, don't do it. Lanky Box, thanks for making this part.